Yeah, and actually, I was kind of reading a study just the other day, and as over the next couple of years, in fact, it's estimated that data is going to double. The complexity, therefore, in an organization's process is likely to quadruple. So there is kind of this challenge really hanging over us, how we got safeguard against data health and the variety of sources that we're faced with. And I think there are a couple of main methods to that. There's almost the validation route, which I think everyone has to approach in terms of trying to get to a point where you have more touchless data management, built-in validations as you're bringing data in, checks and balances effectively, and notification of the team that manage the solution when things are going right and subsequently when they're going wrong. And obviously the APIs, as well as we were discussing, will play a part in that. So I think that's one part. You have to have a sort of solid grounding there. But I think as we're moving to a point where we're kind of moving a little bit more into bringing data from sources that maybe we haven't traditionally covered, I think there's probably a part for predictive analytics and more advanced technology to play here. So when we talk about AI, for instance, it could be that we start to leverage outlier detection and anomaly detection when we're actually bringing data in. Or for argument's sake, that we're actually looking at tools to help us automatically map file sources into our data model.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
I think that's a very natural way to go for AI. I can see a big application in identifying the table structures of the data that you want to bring in, actually automatically setting up the mapping and telling you when the mapping's gone wrong, when something's changed either end of the mapping. I can see that having a very big impact in due course.